The holiday season is here, and what better way to make it extra special than by creating your very own homemade Christmas tree ornaments? Today, I will show you how you can turn simple material into beautiful decoration that sparkle with love and warmth. For this DIY, you will need some basic supplies: colored paper or felt glue, scissor, glitter, small beads, and ribbon. If you have old button or fabric scraps, even better. Let's recycle and make magic. Start by cutting out your favorite holiday shapes: star, snowflakes, Christmas tree, or even little gingerbread man. If you have cookie cutter, you can trace them to make perfect shapes. Now can Now comes the fun part. Decorating, use glitter for that festive sparkle. Glue on tiny beads or sequins and draw little pattern with markers or paint. Let your creativity shine. There are no rules here. To hang your ornaments, glue or tie a small ribbon loop at the top. This makes it easy to place on your Christmas tree and admire for years to come. And there you have it, a beautiful homemade Christmas festival ornaments made with love and joy. These little creations not only make your tree look amazing but also carry memories you will cherish forever. This holiday season, create, decorate, and celebrate one ornament at a time. Hope you liked the video. Hope you liked all designs and ideas. For more designs, follow our channel Craft and Canvas. If you want to learn how to make festival tree illustration, we will try make for you. Go to the comment section and type make tree for us. The holidays are time for joy, laughter, and a little extra sparkle. Today, we are making beautiful homemade ornaments that will bring a personal touch to your festival tree. Get ready for some simple, fun, and heartwarming DIY craft the whole family can enjoy. Let's start with the basic. Grab some colored paper, glitter, glue, and scissors. Cut our star spells and candy can shape. Add a layer of glue on the edges and sparkle glitter for that magical shine. Attach the loop of ribbon on top.